So we just got to the allotment. Me and Colin, we're here to plant the onions, and we may be witnessing a fence theft in progress because we don't know for a fact. Our two-door down neighbor has taken away the fence of our actual neighbor, and we don't know if they know each other or not. She doesn't speak very good English because I was like, is that your plot now? And she didn't really answer me well. So, I don't know. But the plan for today is to plant these onions, and then the zinnias and eggplant have to go home, and put up a fence just between us and our other neighbor because that's an easy place to start. And I'm not going to bring anything here until our full fence is up for clearly obvious reasons. So that's what we're going to do today. Okay, so I didn't pack a sweater and it's a little breezy out, so I'm hoping as I start working I'll feel better. So the plan is that we are going to put in our own stakes into the side beside our neighbor, and then we are going to fix up the fencing that's already there and staple that in, and then we're going to put our own fencing on it too, so it'll be twice as thick, which really isn't that huge of a deal, just so that way we have something with them. And then as we collect, we are waiting for some wood because someone is taking apart their deck, and then once we get that wood, we will start building the rest of the fence here, because obviously I would like to be able to bring my I'd like to be able to bring my furniture here and not have to worry about it being stolen. And I have some really fun stuff coming this week that I can't wait, that I'm going to be bringing here, and I can't wait to show you guys that. So this is what we're going to do now, and enjoy us working and chatting.
Definitely not tall enough for this.
Is it easy to do?
Pardon?
Is it easy to do?
So far. Definitely not tall enough for it though. Do you mind holding? Would you mind hammering it?
Oh yeah, sure.
You
I'd
hammer.
have to put on gloves if I'm gonna hold it. But
Okay, yeah, you hammer it. Just don't hit my fingers.
I'm gonna go to the other side.
Cool. Yeah, I'm trying to hold it straight.
Pardon?
I'm trying to straighten it.
I want to build a cool gate.
Okay.
I wonder if all of this is actually ours.
Probably, but this is all here, so I don't know what you would do with it.
Because it literally looks like it would have been part of our garden.
Well, look at the signage. I mean, yeah, some people's is way out and some people's are way in, so it's kind of hard to tell.
Because it's not a huge deal.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah, I think you have enough land, don't you think?
Does that hurt your hand?
Nope, it's working perfectly.
How deep are we putting it in?
That's
Did you want to compare it to the one that isn't hammered in so we know how much has gone in?
Yeah.
It's still pretty wobbly.
Very much so, yeah. Okay, so the question is, how close do we bring the next one? Do we keep them super far away?
Well, let's base it on what else we have going on here. So we have nothing tall here.
Yeah, that's
so
a
maybe
point.
we want to match it with this one.
Okay, yeah, because this one's strong. This one's a good one to tie to. So
well,
maybe...
we might be able to hammer it in a little bit more too.
Okay, 1 second. I gotta switch the pole up.
Is it too far apart or it's okay?
No, it's perfect. I'm sure it's fine.
Okay, so I think we'll use this one.
Yeah.
So then
I agree.
I think we skip over that.
Yeah.
And maybe do like here.
Somewhere there. Okay.
That one's a disaster. And this is good, right?
Yes, that's very strong.
So then,
but we could put a post right into it if you want one to be extra strong, but
I'd rather not.
Okay.
Because
you don't have that many sticks.
We're running out of sticks.
We need one at the far end.
And we need one here because this is not real.
It's broken?
Yeah, it's not real. Can you hammer this one?
Yeah.
This is where you get tetanus.
Yeah. How did that come off?
I don't know.
That's weird, but it's good. It's a good end post, yeah.
So then maybe we put one here?
Yeah, exactly.
Did we only bring one metal hammer?
Yeah, that's it.
Guess I should measure it to my chin or something, like how low we did the other ones.
Yeah, so strength and wobbliness too.
Okay, so the first one is chin height if you kind of lean in.
This
or
this?
Look up. Well, that's a little higher. Yeah, I'd go maybe it's 4 inches lower.
You're taller than me. Your chin height should be...
you do here.
Yeah, look at this.
No, come on.
Is there a universal chin height?
We have a universal chin height. We're the same height pretty well. Gosh. I wish I was good at being right and left-handed.
What do you mean?
Well, I can hammer with both arms and take a break.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm no good at that. was weird.
Yeah. Very confused. A bit more?
Okay, well, I just accidentally took this piece out.
Completely?
Yeah, but it's zip tied, so either we have to cut the zip tie or hammer it back in.
Let's hammer it back in.
Do you want to start from over there?
Did you check if we have staples in the stapler?
I brought staples.
Blue?
I brought staples.
You did? The staples or some random staples?
I'm assuming it's the right staples.
Oh, let me check. Okay, yeah, you did.
Yeah.
Cool. Because there was another pack of staples in there.
That's my stapler. I know how to use it.
Okay.
Let's start from that side.
Why do you want to do that? Because that's already fenced?
Well, because I turned the camera this way.
Okay.
Why not?
Okay, sure.
We just need zip ties to start it off.
Yeah, probably. Probably should unroll it too.
I just want to like come in here and clean up our neighbor's plot. Because I feel like it benefits us to have that cleaned.
Which side? On their side?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, probably. You could put it out at the front.
Like I would really like to. It just benefits us. It's so messy. You just want one more piece?
Yeah, at least one more piece, please.
Okay, I've already cut your third piece.
I'm already thirsty. Thirsty.
Hey, those people have a hose thing on their post.
What is that?
Like one of those things that you wrap your hose around.
Oh, okay, cool.
I wouldn't mind one of those.
You gotta find that somewhere.
Yeah.
Got it.
Or we can build one out of wood. It's not hard to do.
No,
build a little 90-degree wood item.
Yeah.
Or a U-shaped wood.
Sounds reasonable.
If we can renovate our entire house, I think we could build a hose holder.
I don't think so. That's where our skills stop. Okay, one more.
The only we talked about how not putting into anything too high on this side so that we don't shade out the neighbors because we're nice neighbors.
Yeah, what were you thinking?
Well, I see people who like grow beans up their fence.
Oh,
But I think we could only do it at the front on the roadway because then it doesn't shade anybody out.
Yeah.
Plus it gives us privacy.
Makes sense.
It's so easy to like get your knuckles all twisted in it.
Yeah. Okay, 1 second. There we go.
You wanted it on the other side.
I'm working on it.
I'm like, it literally looked like you were like perfect.
Okay, now drop it.
Okay. It's weird. Those people are strange.
Okay, so this one you can go
It's
in
almost
front.
like we're gonna run out.
100%. It doesn't even feel like it's 25 feet.
No, this is the 50 foot. That's the 25 foot.
Should we undo this one and just go that way?
No, we'll just have to go grab the next.
And we'll just
have
do
to
half
double
a
it
roll
up.
and then merge them together?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
man.
that was stupid. I could have brought both rolls too.
Silly us.
Staple the crap out of it. Put so many staples in. People are like, this is too much.
This is stupid.
Yeah, this is too painful.
I'm gonna put a zip tie on that rebarb.
Use the metal.
Yeah, the metal.
Did you run out of the metal?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because then we have to put a post there or something.
No, put it through the little holes.
I did. I put it through one of them.
No, you didn't. You put it through the post.
Like this?
No, the other way. The thin way.
Like through this one?
No.
What do you
Before you get it wrap around it. On your right side.
It is through a hole. Oh, just through one of this? That's
Yeah.
it? Well, I had it on the back hole.
Okay. Okay, we have now planted the onions and put up the fence. I should have brought both packages. I was thinking that we were doing, I guess I just got confused that the long side was 25 feet, but it's 50 feet. So we only made it to
Womp womp.
there. So I feel accomplished. I was gonna say like we got less done than we thought we would, but I still feel accomplished, right?
Yeah.
You?
Oh, for sure.
Like, I feel like
100%.
we came here with no fence,
Yeah.
and now, like, having half a fence there, I feel like we can, like, if you look at the far left over there, how, like, ugly it is, and how good of a job we've done here. Over there,
Oh
how
yeah.
good of a job
Oh
we've
yeah.
done
That
over
looks good.
here.
Yeah.
Makes me feel good.
That's true.
So this is here where we haven't done yet, and then you can see where we started. Anyway, so the sun is setting. It's now behind the trees and it's gonna get cold, and I did not bring a sweater. So we are going to clean up and head out of here. And we'll see you guys next week for another video. And if you're new here, you can check out this video that does all of season 1 of last year's allotment, and then you can catch up and you will be with everybody else who's been watching. And I will see you next week. Wave goodbye with all your crap on. Bye.